So we're going to look at surface area today, and we're going to look at varieties of shapes. So we're going to start off with a rectangular prism. So something like this, or box of tissues, or book, any of those sort of shapes. And it's going to be the same approach for all of these objects. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to identify each of these sides, work out the area of each side, and add them together. So I'm going to do a sort of a cruder drawing of this shape, remembering there's a back side as well. So I might label them as, let's say this one is the front. Now how would I work out the front? Well, I get my ruler out and measure them. I might be given it already, and I've actually measured this. It's 8 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Now that's a square, but to calculate the area, I'm just going to do breadth times length, so 8 times 8, so breadth times height, that's what I called it before, so I get 64. Now with this shape, well, we know that the other side, we call this the front, maybe the back, it's going to be the same. All right, now I've got let's say a top, and this top, I've measured again, I got my ruler out, I measured on here, that's 15, and that's still 8. So let's put that 15 on there. So this is still 8, same as there. So that's going to be 15 times 8. And we quickly do that calculation, we get 120. And again, my bottom, this side here, underneath, is going to be the same as the top. So that's going to be another 120. And then I've got the only other two sides on my left and right. And as it turns out, because it's a square base, they're also going to be 8. This 8 is 8 here, and this is 15. So my left is going to be 15 times 8, because another 120. My right is also going to be 15 times 8. I don't actually need to do that, I've already done it. And so I get my total surface area. Total surface area equals, and I just have to add all these up. So 120 plus 120 plus 120 plus 120 is 480, plus these is going to be 608, and those are all measured in centimeters squared. So that's it. You just have to be really systematic about identifying each of the sides and calculating carefully. Of course, this can get a little bit more complicated.